So around the world, we have 446 kinds of raptors, and here in CEBU, we have two different kinds. We have the brownie kind and the Philippine serpent eagle. Okay, so first off, let's meet our brownie guy, Kingdom. So brownie guy are scientifically known as Aliastor eagles. They are locally known as Lawi or Banok in the Visayas region. So these birds can be found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as redback sea eagles. And also, do you guys know that this bird indulges cryptoparasitism? It's an ability where this bird can obtain other animals' food without exerting much effort, time, and energy. So there you go for brownie guy, Kingdom. Now, in the world of birds of prey, females are usually larger than the males. It's because females have a better position in nesting and breeding behaviors. Okay, so next for raptor. Let's call in our Philippine serpent eagle. Ready? So there you go, Philippine serpent eagle, or scientifically known as Milornis mulus venus. So this bird can be easily distinguished through well-defined spots over its body, and they have a yellow face. And as you can see, our eagle right there have a bigger and stronger body. That's why they learn to prey on larger animals such as rodents, other birds, and reptiles. And did you know that they're called serpent eagles? Because in the wild, they love to prey snakes. So as you can see, our trainer above here, Trainer Nika is using a black box. It's called a bottoming gauntlet. So it's used to protect our skin from sharp talons and leaks. So there you go for a Philippine serpent eagle. We're ready. So additional trivia lang guys, nakalita si Freddy kung dato si Kingdom. They are both rescued birds. So they are mated from ENR. So they arrived here upon COVID period last year. So ginagamit sila community, ginagamit pagkaon, nourish, and also kung makita niyo guys, trained animals na lang sila. Okay? Okay, now lastly, for flying birds, please look to your left, presenting our homing pigeons. So there you go for homing pigeons. Well, homing pigeons have a name, homing ability. Meaning they will go back to their nest to mate. They have a special sense called magnetoreception. These special skills allows them to detect Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to perceive altitude, direction, and location. So that's all for birds of prey and our homing pigeons. Now here in CEBU Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. So we are not just trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. Now, what was the 3 R's of the proper waste disposal? Is that reduce, reuse, and recycle, that's right. Now here comes our lovely birds. Once again, they show us how to do that proper waste disposal. Now it's sad to see that a lot of animals are struggling their life due to pollution and proper waste management. So let's help keep our environment clean and fresh, save there from global warming, and reduces environmental conditions. Now let's come together and save one of the greatest creations of God and gift of Mother Nature. See, if Bandit can do it, then so can we. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our bird show. Of the birds, spectacular. Are the birds spectacular? Yes. Well, they are always, no matter how small the effort may take, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this wonderful world, because remember, this is the only home that we got. Now, let's present you the trainers that made the show possible. We have trainer Nita right there as DJ. We have trainer Generator right here with Bandit. And trainer Beam at the back of the house with here, your host for this afternoon. Thank you for watching and goodbye!